is mostly known for its 19th century brick buildings. However, with a careful eye, you may notice the hidden gems of the city's modern 20th century architecture. My name is Michael Page. I'm a graphic design senior.
I'm Josephine Parsons, and I'm also a graphic design senior. And we've been working on this project, Revitalizing the City, Mid-Century Modern Architecture Comes to Lowell, with Professor Marie Frank.
Our main problem here is to create more of a holistic understanding of the city's urban history while also mentioning contributions made by Russian Jewish immigrants. A big figure in this is Eugene Weisberg, who was an architect in the city. He made many buildings, many homes on the Highlands, and many public buildings, which were commissioned by Russian Jewish immigrants, an under-researched community in the city. So what exactly is mid-century architecture? Essentially what it comes down to is sort of a lack of applied ornamentation, lots of geometric shapes, volume over mass, weightlessness, and form. So our data here is different from most. It's photography. We have two ways of approaching this, one through documentary style, which is more objective and very straightforward, and then our artistic style, which kind of communicates the designs and intentions of the architect. Buildings like this show off the form, the weightlessness, the many geometric shapes that happen. Same with here. A lot of these buildings are kind of underlooked or overestimated by people. So at the same time, we're not just going to photograph buildings, we're also going into research by looking at forms and papers and newspaper clippings that show off this sort of vision for the future that people once had in Lowell when it came to architecture.
So the most important part of our project centers on making the research available to the public and having this document a specific place and time in an ever-changing landscape. So here we have our mood board, which exhibits our early research and inspiration, and we're still in the process of designing these panels. So photographs and drawings are going to be displayed in an exhibit at Mill Number 5 in City Hall this June, and we will also create a permanent record of this material through the production of a LibGuide through the UMass Lowell Library System and a photo book that will be deposited at the Center for Lowell History. Thank you so much for listening, and we hope to see you at the exhibit.